People may forget what you say, but they will never forget how you made them feel. That is what hospitality means to me. Good day and mabuhay. My name is Kalel Armorania and I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management at Davao Oriental State University. I choose hospitality management because I believe that genuine service has the power to create lasting impressions. Seeing guests leave with a smile and knowing that I played a part in their positive experience inspires me to continue growing in this industry. Every opportunity to serve is an opportunity to make someone's day better. To strengthen my knowledge and skills, I completed my TESDA National Certificate, where I received practical training in front office services, food and beverage services, and tourism promotion services. This experience gave me a strong foundation in guest service and hospitality operations. Beyond the classroom, I gained hands-on experience working as a catering service crew, event setup crew, and events photographer, where I learned the importance of teamwork, adaptability, attention to detail, and performing efficiently in a fast-paced environment. I also manage a small business creating customized fuzzy-wire bouquet, which has helped me develop my creativity, customer service, and time management. I am applying for this international internship because I want to challenge myself beyond my comfort zone, experience world class hospitality standards, and learn from professionals in a multicultural environment. I believe this opportunity perfectly aligns with my education and will help me become a more competent hospitality professional. I am a hardworking, adaptable, and a passionate individual who believes that success begins with respect, commitment, and a genuine desire to serve others. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume, and I hope to become part of your team soon. Mabuhay and have a wonderful day!